If you've been searching for privacy, updates, and usable land, this 29-acre Virginia property checks every box, then adds a studio, greenhouse, and hot tub. Tucked into a peaceful, park-like setting of rolling pastures and mature trees, this beautifully updated country retreat blends modern comfort with true rural serenity. everyday living and entertaining effortless. The main level also offers a spacious living area that opens directly to a large front deck, ideal for gatherings, quiet mornings, or sunset views across the land. A remodeled full bath with washer and dryer adds convenience and thoughtful design. Upstairs, 2 bedrooms include a private primary suite with a spa-like bath, complete with a jetted tub and walk-in shower. The finished walkout basement provides excellent storage and utility space while leading directly outside to a private hot tub surrounded by tasteful hardscaping and a fire pit, your own outdoor escape. Recent upgrades include a new roof, windows, exterior doors, decks, and durable Hardie Plank siding, offering peace of mind for years to come. Beyond the home, the property truly shines. A detached studio offers flexible space for a home office, gym, or creative retreat. 2 outbuildings, a new greenhouse, and expansive open land provide endless opportunities for gardening, hobbies, or small-scale farming. All of this privacy comes with convenient access to nearby towns, wineries, outdoor recreation, and Shenandoah National Park, making this a rare blend of seclusion, updates, and lifestyle.